Okay, so we're looking at my gate. I actually put a little hidden handle to unlock it from this side because it's actually there's actually two pieces of the gate, and my friend and I actually came out with this little concept of a wire to open the gate from the outside part, and all we did was put this little wire here where we just pull it, and it actually unlatches the lock right there on this side. So, and we put a little nail right there. This is actually a hanger wire. So let me kind of just show you what it looks like from the other side. And I'll have my assistant to go ahead and pull the wire on the other side. And there you have it. Simple concept on how to open up your gate with just a little hanger wire. And go ahead and close it. So that's locked there, and well hidden on the other side from perpetrators coming in, and you don't have to worry about having to open up your gate or locking yourself out. See, yeah, see, it's actually pretty well hidden there. Can't really see it in between the panels, but you can see it about right there. If I pointed it out, see right there. I walk away and it's actually well hidden, so there's no handles or anything on it. So very well concept of opening up your gate. And then of course at night you can actually put your little lock right here on these holes there. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.